Let's go! Jackie. Yeah!
Ham and cheese toasty. Please take a brush.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
You must be Belle.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Hello, are you welcoming me? Wow. And the tent?
Kids party? Yeah, this one. It's the inside.
So don't need water. And then while you're shooting, you can see the sunset.
They have a lot of organic stuff. Yeah, the quality is getting much better.
Time knows. Every day I'm shuffling.
With the farm, I was like, yeah, eating every day sweet potato.
This is permaculture. We just made a garden bed but didn't know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're sort of like, we're going to transfer. Oh, actually, we can plant things.
There you go.
Maybe we just take like every second one. Do you know?
Oh, yeah.
And we just put them in the wheelbarrow because then we can go and plant them in the other dam. I mean, the other dam doesn't have all this nice soil, so I would probably take a bit of soil with you at the same time. When we make a little hole, we can just chuck them in.
Chick, go! Chick, chick, chick.
Why you bullying me?
Oh my god. When was the last time I did this farm work kind of job? Getting my hands dirty, so this morning we're trying to replant this kind of plants, moving from there back to here. It's been a fun, sweaty morning, waking up at 6:30, work 2 hours, and then breakfast, and then work another 4 hours. So now it's almost lunchtime, and after lunch we can go to the dam and just do whatever we want, just chill and swim, and that's our life. First day almost done. Got it fresh from the farm. Yeah?
Yeah, fresh one.
No way.
No.
We didn't fill the hole again. Yeah, we should
The
fill
bag, the black bag.
No way.
All night,
Yes.
all night to
This
one
big
key.
hole here.
Yes, I just
And
put
then-
it there. I bought it in the supermarket yesterday. It's so weird.
It's lucky that it's not that hungry. It just ate
Yeah, just the one.
half of it.
Maybe it didn't like it. Like, oh,
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
Oh, I choose the wrong one.
that's no shit.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song.
Let's go!
Turn it up, windows down.
Hey, Jackie didn't jump.
Ah, yes, I.
How do you feel?
Oh, really good.
The best
It's
feeling.
just begun.
Hey Jackie, it's your turn. Hey, come on.
I will compete on this one.
Bright lights have some fun.
No one knows.
Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. go. Calling sick in the morning.
No? This might look to you a normal setting, but what if I show you guys? We are in the middle, free trees, basically.
Trees.
Look at the ground here.
3 meters?
So somehow, some way, we managed to climb up through this roof. Fuck. Yes! And we are in the middle of nowhere. There's a table here. Feels like a tree house, basically. And just absorbing the nature sounds. I'll be quiet for a second for you guys to hear all the sound surroundings. I told you it's
No, thank you.
apple.
I hate to clean the tents. It's just terrible. I was so happy planting the trees under the sun.
Why are you holding this? I should surprise you.
Well, I will find a way.
Yeah.
You always find a way if you really want to do something.
Oh, that's deep.
Deep one.
That's deep. What can I do with it? Jackie, what can I do with it? Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. Sunset time. Time to work, no? It's citrus.
Yeah, maybe it's no. It's maybe orange.
Orange.
Yeah.
Chico, chico, chico.
They're happy.
He's eating.
Where you going, dude?
He wants to run away.
Getting there. One, two,
three.
Your mama.
Brown.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah,
Everyone
we can.
Everyone can eat.
The mom.
So man means mind, and tra means to free. So mantras literally mean to free your mind. So we just sing these mantras on repeat because the mantras are formed in a certain way. They're formed in the oldest language in the whole world, which is Sanskrit. Sanskrit, they say, is the root language in which everything else comes out of. So these mantras are formed in a certain way, not for there's more for like the vibration of it, less than how it sounds, if you see what I mean. So it's the vibrations of it that are important. So it's been formed together in a certain form of vibration. And those vibrations hit us in a certain way because us too are vibration, and the whole universe is just vibration, you know. So yeah.
Jagadambe ma jai ma, Jagadambe ma.
And again.